let me think about whether we're going to get past this or we're having an early retirement again. Bye. Oh, that gaffer whispered too. Why are you still here? Oh, wow. Isn't this precious? You still here? You, sit.
I'd rather stand.
Down in your office, some of a course in manners. I like you feel.
Sir, you said you wanted to see me, and it was urgent. I'm here.
I call here, I need some guidance. Tell me, I have a little bit of a conundrum. Are you a public defender or a prosecutor?
Is that a rhetorical question, sir? And could you please get to the point, sir?
My experience comes with age. So, I'm going to lean on your youthful exuberance. If, hypothetically, a member of the prosecutor's office took it upon themselves to act in the capacity of a defense attorney, availing themselves of knowledge of the particular case, that would be conflict of interest? No, this is where I need guidance. Prosecutorial misconduct?
I came here out of respect for you and courtesies to your office. But clearly, you think I have the answer to you. I don't. Are we done?
You know, you're quite right, young man. You don't have to answer to me. But you might want to answer that.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Sanjus, it has been brought to my attention that you may be involved in a situation that could compromise your position as a prosecutor in this office. Is there any truth to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you speak to a suspect in the capacity of a defense attorney?
I can explain.
I don't need an explanation. I need you to cooperate with Mr. Mullins. Is that understood?
Okay, ma'am.
No. It's quite okay. You can go. And thanks for your advice. Yes, ma'am. I'll give you the details in due course. But as usual, Thanks for your kind assistance.